before work. And yeah, today's color's orange. We have a lot of orange going on. Titus, it's really sunny out. Yeah, okay, let's get out of here then. Ready?
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far.
Totally passed out. So that might put a damper on our Iao swim here. So maybe I'll just head back home, or I don't know. Maybe I'll try and get some B-roll, just some tasty footage of Iao Valley and everything around it, while being very close to my car as my son sleeps in it. Yeah, maybe.
You got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one.
So not a lot of people know this, but Iao Valley is also goes by another name called Valley of Blood, and it's a pretty crazy story of one of the old Hawaiian kings coming through from another island and just sieging the Lahaina side of the island and just working their way through and just totally conquering a place that was just like impenetrable, untakeable, and finally he totally did it. At least that was the story that I got. It was told to me. It's wrong. I'm sure someone in the comments will rip me to pieces and let me know how wrong I am. But that is the story I was told, and it's a pretty intense story that this place that is a huge tourism draw has this like vicious history of just warfare and blood. Ultimately, brought and helped bring peace to all that. It's pretty wild to see how so many terrible circumstances can end up becoming a really great thing. Yeah, crazy.
Where are they going again? I'm gonna go work on a stripper if I understand correctly. Wish them well. Me too. Me too.
I think they're coming back.
Okay, so Titus woke up, and so we decided to just go to the beach for a little bit because there's one right by our house, right over here. There it is. So we're gonna go hang out there. Titus, do you want to go to the beach? He said he wanted to go. I wouldn't just like make him go. So here we go.